guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's going to be a video all about this glueless unit from Yolissa Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, it was giving blonde bombshell. So we're gonna start off with my non-wigged hair. I had a part wig on that morning, so that's why my hair is braided in a weird awkward way. So we're just gonna jump right into the unboxing. So it comes in this pretty box. Inside, obviously, you have the wig. I was so nervous. You get an elastic band, you also get a silk scarf, you get lashes, you get a wig cap, and I think you get an edge brush. I didn't need any of these because it is a glueless unit, but if you do want to glue it down, you can. So here are the braids I was talking about. Only the back is braided and a section in the middle is out for my leave out, but since I am installing this glueless wig, I did not have to braid the front bit. So I'm gonna apply my wig cap quickly. Make sure it's nice and flat and all of your hair is tucked in, especially if you have dark hair like I do, because it is a 5x5. So the inside of the wig, there are a couple of clips. I think there's one in the middle, two on the sides, and one in the back, and it's also adjustable, and there's an elastic band as well. This is called the 613 Wear and Go wig. Body wave with a 5x5 closure, with a 5x5 lace closure, 22 inches, and a medium cap. This is also pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and also pre-cut. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying some powder so the bald cap can match my head and my face and my skin tone. So I'm applying it all over my bald cap and then applying just a tiny bit on the lace of the wig. Make sure you don't go too hard because this is a platinum blonde wig, so it can get dirty extremely quickly. As you guys can see, the lace is already cut. They cut it in a jagged motion. This is the most innovative thing that I've ever seen. I've seen some girls on TikTok cut it themselves with some craft scissors. You can either do that yourself, but they do it for you. So you get all of the services with Yolissa Hair. So I'm just gonna apply the unit on my head. This was really quick, guys, and easy. This is, you don't even have to curl it if you want. You don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to braid your hair if you don't want to. I am going to brush the curls out because I do like my curls going in a certain pattern and motion. I feel like it just suits my face better. These curls were a bit more towards the front when I like my curls to go away from my face. So as you guys can see, the lace is lacing. Guys, for something that's not glued on, because I've seen some crazy installs, like people paid for those installs and they looked questionable. This is just me plopping this wig on. So easy. You can even pull it off. Your night's done, just pull it off. Glueless wigs are the way to go. Look. And then I'm just gonna put it back on and then it's back. Oh my God, I just can't believe, I'm watching the footage right now and I'm in shock. This is the best thing ever. I'm doing the little comb trick that's trending right now just so you guys can see how neat this is. So I'm gonna be applying a wax stick just so I can flatten the top. I want this to look as natural as possible because I am a natural blonde, baby. I'm gonna use my hot comb. You can get one on Amazon. You can get some in hair stores, your beauty supply store. Any hot comb will work, and it's just going to flatten the top of your hair. This is great for natural hair and for units like this one. So now I'm gonna brush out the curls a little more. You guys can see I'm very focused because I'm trying to figure out, look, this is different for me. How am I gonna make this look as appealing to the eyes of the viewers and to myself as well? I haven't had this hair color in a long time. So I'm gonna use my hair curler. This is the Hot Tools 1 3/4 inch, I think. And you can get those online. I get mine at Marshall's, Winners, TJ Maxx type of stores. They always have them in stock, especially during the holiday season. I've seen them back in stock lately, so they're the best affordable curlers. I feel they curl your hair so well. Make sure you have a clamp Curling with a clamp just makes all the difference. So as you guys can see, this is made with 100% human hair. Curlable. If you want to dye it, you can cut it, you can bleach it, you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just gonna add some curls, make it look a bit more personalized to me. But if you do not want to do that, it is okay. The hair comes already styled. When I say wear and go, it's wear and go, baby. But this is a beautiful, beautiful unit, very easy to install. I absolutely loved applying this on. Yes, I look focused, but you guys are gonna see at the end, I was feeling myself.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. Get it right here, baby. And now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down.
So I'm just brushing out the curls a little with my hands, and here you go. That's the finished look. Can you guys believe that this is just a throw on wig? And like I said, you can just take it off, put it on, it's like a hat. So I felt really pretty, very cute, took a bunch of selfies afterwards. Look how shiny the hair is, very healthy. Honestly, for something that's blonde, I'm very, not just like a cute blonde, this is 613, baby. This is what they use to dye the hair. As you guys can see, it's really shiny, really bouncy, and your girl enjoyed the unit. It looked really cute, very natural. I took some pictures. I didn't even have to edit the lace or do anything. I was really feeling myself. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And shout out to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be linked down below, discount codes and everything. And I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.